everyone, what's up? Welcome on section 51 on YouTube. I am DozGeek, you are watching section 51. I hope you're fine, I hope you're well, and I'm very pleased to see you back on our YouTube channel. And for this new subject, this new UFO case on YouTube, so the subject today will be about some eyewitness who spotted alleged UFO flying over neighborhood in Texas. So don't wait no more, let's go right now on internet in order to read, to discover together this new article right now. Okay, so we are on the website IB Times, International Business Times, and this is a new article written by Inigo Monson that we begin to know very well now on section 51. I believe that this is a journalist who is specialized in articles about ufology, and it was an article published on the 1st of July 2020. The title is Eyewitness Spots Alleged UFO Flying Over Neighborhood in Texas, and the key points are a UFO was spotted flying over Texas. An expert said the UFO had a distinct shape. So I guess the UFO expert is Scott Waring from ET Database as usual. And the next key point is that a UFO fleet was spotted in a different part of Texas. So an eyewitness was able to photograph a strange UFO flying over a neighborhood in Texas, according to the UFO expert, and the photo shows the object's means of propulsion. I am very impatient to see the picture. The strange object was spotted by an anonymous eyewitness from Richardson, Texas. Initially, the eyewitness thought that the object was a type of foil balloon flying in the sky. However, after closely monitoring the object, the eyewitness noted that it was moving too fast to be a balloon. When I first saw this, I thought it was a foil balloon, then realized it was moving too fast and stayed right on course. The eyewitness stated, according to a blog post on ET Database, it was moving from east to west. So let's watch. We are on etdatabase.com. This is an unusual report from MUFON today. Someone spotted a tall, long craft moving over the neighborhood in Texas. The object was metallic and said to be moving too fast to be a balloon. The object also has a rocket-like exhaust coming out of the bottom of the craft. Awesome catch, and a first for this shape and angle of UFO. So this is the original photo. Okay. Thank you, Scott, for your work in ufology and for reporting all these news. So it is just a photo, we don't have any video for the moment. After examining the photo, UFO expert Scott Waring noted that the object has a strange shape, and it can be seen that it has a distinct shape with an elongated body. It is very different from the usual disc-like shape of other UFOs. Aside from its shape, Waring also noticed that the mysterious object produced some sort of trail as it flew across the sky. It seems to fly from straight to the top, right to the top of the sky, very vertically. The UFO expert noted that this feature could be the exhaust coming from the object's rocket or propulsion system. But sincerely, I don't really know if UFOs, alien UFO exist with that kind of propulsion system. Someone spotted a tall, long craft moving over the neighborhood in Texas, Waring stated in a blog post. The object was metallic and said to be moving too fast to be burned. The object also has a rocket-like exhaust coming out of the bottom of the craft. Yes, we read it. Despite Waring's claims, the exact nature of the object spotted by the eyewitness in Texas is not yet clear. Local authorities and agencies have not yet released a statement addressing the object. The strange object flying over Richardson is the latest UFO sighting in Texas. On June the 25th, several residents in Houston spotted a fleet of UFOs hovering over a mountain ridge, ABC7 reported. According to the video captured by an eyewitness, the objects hovered in formation while flashing repeatedly. We have another similar UFO sighting at the beginning of 2020. It was a new UFO fleet seen during overcast weather at Yuma, Arizona. Video UFO sighting news. Okay? Another article on the ET database by Scott Waring. You can see the pictures with the triangular shape with the lights. So the date of sighting was January the 20th of 2020. It was posted on YouTube by Willis and recorded by Willis, and the lights disappeared suddenly in the sky. That's very weird. All these UFO sightings in few months. Do you think all this is linked with what is supposed to be known by Donald Trump? Do you believe that Donald Trump knows about all this, about these UFO sightings? We have some trail just under the shape, under the UFO. It may be a rocket, but that's very strange for UFO. Using some rocket propulsion, like some human airplanes, some jet fighters. The shape is very strange and weird. We could say that there are some wings on the sides. It makes me think, at the first sight, it makes me think of an angel, like we ever talked in a previous video on section 51. Maybe it could be an angel flying in the sky until the space, joining space. I don't know what it is, sincerely. Maybe the photo is manipulated or not, I don't know. That's very difficult to say when you have just only one photo. What is sure is that the photo is pixelated and in very poor quality. So guys, what do you think about this? Do you think that's a real UFO sighting? What do you think of the propulsion system used in this case? Do you think it's a rocket system with this white trail just under the UFO? Do you think it's a UFO or simply an angel flying in the sky? But if it's an angel, what could be the dark matter just at his feet? I don't really understand the picture. I don't really understand the shape of this UFO. This is very weird. What is your point of view on this UFO sighting? What is that? What is it? How can we explain the picture? Please help me to analyze this photo. I want to know, and maybe this photo has been already registered in the NASA or the secret authorities archives. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you again for your support. This was DOSGeek on section 51. I hope you liked this video and I hope that the subject was interesting. Again, thank you for watching. Keep watching section 51. Don't forget to share, to like the video, and we meet very soon in a next video, a next UFO video. So until the next time, live long and prosper. This was DOSGeek, section 51. See you next time. Stay safe. Bye bye.